Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I have a small haul to share with you guys from Beebeecraft. Now the materials you see here I got for free using Beebeecraft's YouTube program. They have a program where if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can get free supplies from them, and they will offer you up to $40 in supplies, and you get to choose what you want. And Beebeecraft, by the way, is not just for jewelry making. They also offer a lot of craft supplies. So they'll give you $40 worth of materials. You get to choose what you want from them. And in return, they just ask that you do 3 videos for them. The first video doing a bead haul, or a craft supply haul, like I'm doing here, showing what you got. And they ask that you do 2 tutorials with the materials that you got. So 3 videos. And that's pretty much it. So if you're interested in Beebeecraft's YouTube program, I will leave a link for you down there below in the description bar. So let's go over what I got here. And again, I'm going to leave links to the beads that I got down there below in the description bar. So a while ago, I got a box like this from Beebeecraft. It's loaded with gemstones in 4 different sizes. There is 4mm, 6mm, these 2 compartments are 8, and this here is 10. I got this same box, but in a different gemstone, where they offer the different sizes like this. I got it in white howlite, and what else was it? Oh, I remember, it was picture jasper. And I made multiple projects with that box. I did a graduated circular netting stitch. I'll put a picture up now of the necklace that I'm talking about. And I think that I also used those white howlite beads in a right angle weave stitch. I'm not totally sure. I'll have to go back and look. But if I'm right, I will put a picture up now of the other project I'm talking about. So yeah, this box is pretty awesome because there is a lot of beads in it, and I love all the different sizes. And also, there was another necklace that I did. I think I did it with Beebeecraft beads. Yes, I did. It was pretty cool. It looked like it was from another world. I will put a picture of that up now. That project, again, was made with 4, 6, 8, and 10mm beads. So I'm going to leave a link for this box down there below in the description bar. These are Amazonite beads, but they also offer a box just like this with different kinds of gemstones. There was another one that I wanted really bad. It was actually rhodochrosite, the pink. It was so pretty. But there are so many different kinds, and I think what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to link this one that I got here exactly down there below, but I'm also going to link the other boxes because there's so many to choose from. And I love that they offer the different sizes because there's so many things you could do with beads like this and multiple sizes. Okay, so here is Amazonite beads. I love the colors, they're so pretty. Turquoise is my favorite. And I'm trying to remember if there was more projects that I made with these boxes here. If there was, I'll continue to put pictures up because I know I made a lot of stuff. And these here blew my mind. I've only ever seen this here on Etsy, but not this exact strand. The one I saw was bigger beads. They were huge. But this here is a 12mm bead. So there's 3 strands of these. And actually, when I received these, I think I got them yesterday. I'm very sick, so I can't really remember. I want to say it was yesterday these came in the mail. They had some kind of weird, like, oily coating on them. And they were double bagged. There was another bag in this bag. And I realized I need to clean them before I put them onto my mat because the oil will stain it. So I did. I just washed them with Dawn dish soap, and sometimes that happens. We get beads that have a residue on them. Picasso beads are like that. They have a clay-like residue on them, and when I create with them the finished project, I will wipe the beads off so it doesn't stain or anything like that. But look at how gorgeous. This is a gemstone and it is treated to look like this, but I am just in absolute awe of how they do this. Oh, here you can see from the end. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Hey, I just realized this pattern's at an angle. See that? Because these other ones are straight. So that's cool. They're all so unique, and look at the color variations. There's some that are very dark, some that are very light. They look like they're ancient. Like there's some here that are just really pale. I love how they all look like that, how they're the same, but then they have these differences. Like this one here has some like crackled effect where it just looks very ancient. So I'm in love with these beads. This is a type of Z bead, by the way, and they do offer other Z beads on their website. I got the one that is beige with black spots on it in the past. Those are beautiful. So I will link these down below, and I'll link some other Z beads if you're interested. But yeah, they offer some beautiful gemstone beads on their site. They've got a lot of gemstone beads in stock. These are just mind-blowing to me. They're so beautiful. And by the way, I do have a coupon code for you in case you want to go and make a purchase. This purchase here was around $40 in case you want to get the same thing that I got. And the coupon code is BeautifulNights5. I will put that coupon code up on the screen now. And I will also put the coupon code down there below in the description bar. So in the description bar, I will have the Beebeecraft website link. I will have the YouTube program for Beebeecraft if you have 100 subscribers or more. And I'm also going to link this box down below. And I want to also link the other colors for you because they have so many to choose from. I think they also had citrine. I think there was there's black obsidian. There was tiger's eye. I know they had jasper. There's a lot of beads. When I first discovered this, they only had it in like 2 colors, and that was the howlite and the picture jasper. But since then, they've got a lot more colors available. Okay, and I'm also going to link the Z beads down there below, and if I can find any other Z beads, I will also link them for you. And they also call these Tibetan beads on the Beebeecraft website. So yeah, that's it. And again, the coupon code, I will link that down below. Save $5 on orders over 40. Beautiful Nights 5. So I believe that's everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this small haul, and be on the lookout for 2 tutorials using these products here. Alright, so please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.